We're making. Yeah, you can come in. Say hi.
I can come in? Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Lucinda Rose, her channel.
No, our channel. We have our own channel.
Our own channel? Oh,
Just
that's exciting.
Just you and me.
Okay, that sounds good.
It's Saturday and I just woke up. So, we're going to make gluten-free cinnamon swirl. Gluten-free cinnamon swirl. Benji.
Okay. All right.
I want them to see you so you can put it a little.
Well, it's all about you. It's all about you. It's not about me. You're the main attraction.
This is Lucy and Daddy's channel, and it's not called that, but it's our channel.
Okay, are we going to make the muffin mix?
Our channel is called Shaniqua Dad.
Shaniqua Dad. Well, who's Shaniqua?
Me and your dad.
Okay, all right.
Okay, let's go.
You know, I want to tell everybody one thing. You're really tall for a 7-year-old. Heat oven.
Lower oven 350 Fahrenheit.
Let's do the bottom oven. Yeah, that one. Perfect.
Where do I stop?
This is making me hungry.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can already smell the cinnamon.
Cinnamon? Cinnamon.
Ah!
Is it in all the way?
I think it is.
I think I got
Will you put it up now?
We'll lock it.
Stir it together.
Water, oil, eggs, and cake mix until blended.
We've already got the cake mix in there.
Who turned it on?
Okay. It's 16 degrees. That's why we're making a good old
Warm
cinnamon.
thingy.
That's right.
Cinnamon cake.
That's
I'm
right.
making a thingy. Wop, 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 wop. You should check out our singing channel.
You will not be spared. You will not be saved. I know how messy it is.
That's okay.
I've made cakes through my whole life.
All right.
Eleanor's.
Nice.
Did I hit you?
No. All right. Now, go ahead and stir those up, baby doll. Do you want to pour that in there now?
Into this?
Yep.
Why are you doing that? Why are you using that?
Because I heated up the coconut oil to make it a liquid. And tilt it up. Nice, good job. We'll pour that in there. All right, put it down and stir away, girl.
Can I show them
Sure.
how disgusting it is?
We're going to take a break here with it for a second, and we're going to
Teapot thing. Turning it high. The teapot is for hot tea. Hot water. We like to drink it, not England. Whoa. Now it's not disgusting and looks like something good. I want to eat it better like a balloon.
So what's the better dancer? The mixer or you? All right.
Because it can't do this. It can't do this, or this, or this. That was really close.
Yeah, you were.
Oh, Daniel.
I was telling them your secrets.
Lucy loves ya. Boom.
Scare me. We have a game where we try and scare each other.
And sometimes we play garden princess. It's locked.
Wow, perfect timing is for. While you do that, I'm going to put this in the pan.
I'm going to show you how to do this. It's so good. It tastes like vanilla-ish. Doing good. Now that there's met darkness around you, tragedy, but magically. Now I hope we make this work. I want to live in Nashville. Yeah, I want the warmest spot you could ever think of. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look.
Okay, so we got the cake batter in there, layer of brown sugar, and then we did more cake batter, and now we're doing a top layer of brown sugar. And we kind of like pretend like we're painting to smooth it out and break up the brown sugar so it's got a nice even coat over the whole top of the. We're using the 8 by 8 inch pan, so we'll cook it for about 43 minutes.
No, are you joking?
Well, for glass, it says add 5 more minutes, so we'll cook it for 48 minutes. Here's the finished product.
Time to put
All right.
it in.
Time to put it in, that's right.
We'll be back when we pull the cake out of the oven. And make sure to like and subscribe.
And hit that bell.
And hit that bell. Baking in the oven. Cake's been in there for 30 minutes, just 20 minutes to go, and wow. So cool. Hello, we're back. I have a knife here, a butter knife. I am going to cut the cake. Don't burn yourself, Daddy.
Good instructions for everybody. Don't burn yourself.
Okay, because we're going to taste test. This piece right here. Gluten-free cinnamon cake is delicious.
Yes, it is. All right.
So good. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a good day.